Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn with Amna. I'm Emily.
And I'm Alex. We're so happy you're here today.
Really, it means a lot.
Yes. And today, we're talking about something everyone wants. How to speak English like a pro.
And don't worry, we will use very simple English. Nice, slow, clear. Alex, many people think speaking like a pro means using big, difficult words.
No. The real secret is simple English plus confidence.
Yes, when your English is clear, people understand you easily.
And when people understand you, you feel confident. And that is how you sound like a pro.
Friends, listen. Professionals speak slowly.
Slow is smart.
When you speak slowly, your brain works better, your words are clean, and your accent becomes beautiful.
And the best part? You make fewer mistakes.
Okay, Alex, let's teach our friends some simple but powerful phrases.
Yes, these are beginner-friendly and sound super natural. Phrase 1. Could you repeat that, please? Polite, calm, professional. Phrase 2. I appreciate it. Simple way to say thank you, like a pro. Phrase 3. That makes sense.
See? Easy phrases, big impact.
And the more you use them, the more confident you will feel.
Okay, friends, here is a little secret. To sound natural, add small reactions.
Yes, like, oh really?
That's nice.
I see.
Interesting.
These small reactions make your English warm, friendly, and professional.
Let's do a short, simple, pro-level conversation.
Friends, listen carefully and repeat in your mind.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great. What are you doing today?
I'm going to the market.
Nice. Have a good day.
That's it. Simple English, natural English, professional English.
You can use this anywhere. Work, school, shop, street, online, anywhere.
Beginners try to speak long sentences, but pros use chunks.
Small pieces of English.
Example, I want to know where the bus station is because I am new here.
Too long.
Use chunks like, excuse me, I'm new here. Bus station. Where is it?
Clear, simple, pro-level.
Friends, try this. When you say a new word, stretch the first sound.
Example, the word pro.
Pro.
Yes, when you stretch it first, it becomes clear.
Okay. Repeat slowly.
I speak slowly.
I speak clearly.
I sound confident.
I speak English like a pro.
Good job. Let's show them how pros speak in real life.
At work phrases. Could you help me with this?
Sure, no problem.
With friends phrases. Do you want to get coffee?
Yes, let's go.
In a shop phrases. Excuse me, how much is this?
It's $10.
See? Simple English works everywhere.
Friends, we want to tell you something important. When you learn English, you are not just learning words.
You are opening new doors, new opportunities, new life experiences.
And we believe in you. Truly.
Repeat slowly.
I can speak English.
I am improving every day.
I am proud of myself.
I speak English like a pro.
Friends, if this lesson helped you, please subscribe.
We make simple English lessons with love just for you.
Thank you for learning with us, and see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye.